This dance is called All for the Love of a Girl. It's a 24 count, 4 wall, improve a level line dance with 2 tags. Starting on the left foot with a twinkle. Cross, side, close. Cross the right over the left into a hinge half turn. So you're going to make a quarter turn right as you step back on that left, quarter turn right as you step the right to the side. That set of steps once more then. Twinkle off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Twinkle, cross, turn, turn. Cross the left over the right. Touch the right beside the left, and as you do so you're going to bend down. Hitch the right over the left as you straighten into a scissor step, stepping the right to the side, left beside right, cross the right over the left. That set of steps once more then. Cross, touch, hitch into that scissor step. 4, 5, 6. Cross, touch, hitch, scissor, step. Let's add that to the top. Twinkle off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Twinkle, cross, turn, turn. Cross, touch, hitch, scissor, step. Make a quarter turn left as you step forward on the left. Half a turn left as you step back on the right. Step back on the left. Cross the right behind the left. Step the left to the side. Cross rock, right over left. Recover your weight on the left. That set of steps once more. Quarter, half, back, off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Turn, turn, back, behind, side, cross, rock. Now you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 turn there with that quarter and that half. Should you need to try and take that turn out, what you can actually do, instead of turning a quarter left, turn a quarter right as you step back on that left. Then just step back on the right, join up with everybody else, back, behind, side, cross, rock. So non-turning steps should you need to try and take that 3/4 of turn out in that section. So let's add that to the top. Twinkle off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Twinkle, cross, turn, turn, cross, touch, hitch, scissor, step. Turn, turn, back, behind, side, cross, rock. Step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. Make a quarter turn right as you step forward on the right. Step forward on the left, pivot a quarter turn to the right. That set of steps once more then. Side cross, quarter turn off on the right. 7, 8. Side, cross, turn, step, pivot. That is actually the end of the dance. When you get to that point, let's put it all together. Twinkle off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Twinkle, cross, turn, turn, cross, touch, hitch, scissor, step. Turn, turn, back, behind, side, cross, rock, side, cross, turn, step, pivot. So in true waltz fashion, not an hand count in sight. But it is 4 wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Twinkle off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Twinkle, cross, turn, turn, cross, touch, hitch, scissor, step. Turn, turn, back, behind, side, cross, rock, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, twinkle, cross, turn, turn, cross, touch, hitch, scissor, step, turn, turn, back, behind, side, cross, rock, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, twinkle, cross, turn, turn, cross, touch, hitch, scissor, step, turn, turn, back, behind, side, cross, rock, side, cross, turn, step, pivot. So that is your dance. Now there are 2 tags in this dance. They come at the ends of walls 2 and 6. Walls 2 and 6 are both your 3 o'clock wall. You will be facing 6 o'clock when you come to add the tag. Quite simply, 3 count tag, cross rock left over right, recover your weight on the right, touch the left beside the right. That is your tag. Cross, rock, touch. So let's do wall 2. Now 3 o'clock wall. Take you through to the end, add on the tag and restart the dance. Twinkle off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Twinkle, cross, turn, turn, cross, touch, hitch, scissor, step, turn, turn, back, behind, side, cross, rock, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, tag, cross, rock, touch, start again, triple twinkle, cross, turn, turn. So that's where your tag fits in. Ends of walls 2 and 6, both of which are your 3 o'clock walls. So that's it, that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go. To a bit of music. Four, 5, 6, twinkle, cross, turn, turn, cross, touch, hitch, scissor, step, turn, turn, back, behind, side, cross, rock, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, twinkle, it's your tag wall, cross, turn, turn, cross, touch, hitch, scissor, step, turn, turn, back, behind, side, cross, rock, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, tag, cross, rock, touch, twinkle, cross, turn, turn, cross, touch, hitch, scissor, step, turn, turn, back, behind, side, cross, rock, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, twinkle, cross, turn, turn, cross, touch, hitch, scissor, step, turn, turn, back, behind, side, cross, rock, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, twinkles, cross, touch, turn, side cross, twinkle, it's your next tag wall, cross touch, turn, side cross, tag, cross, rock, touch, twinkle,
sets my life in a world. I'm a man that gives his life and the joys of this world, all for the love of a girl, all for the love of a girl.
Hope you managed that one.